Alan.
Hey.
Mr. Devereaux, Your Honor.
How you doing,
Good
sir?
morning, sir. Who do we have here?
Jaquan Devereaux.
Devereaux.
Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Devereaux, you're charged with failure to identify oneself while being a fugitive from justice. You're also charged with burglary of a motor vehicle. You're facing on both of those a year in jail and/or a $4,000 fine. Alan, what are we doing today?
We are dispensing the burglary and pleading on the failure to identify for 3 days.
Wow, that's a heck of a deal. Why would we take this? I mean, just, you don't show up to court. You pick up a burglar of a motor vehicle. You try to evade from the laws when they get you. And now we're just going to release you back into the public so you can go and wreak havoc again?
Yes, sir.
Why? Why would we take this? You have a Briar BMV not even a year ago, man. Now you stand charged with it again. They're going to dismiss it. How do I know my county's protected from you?
I'm sorry, sir, but
Blah, blah, blah.
I'm trying. Right now, I'm trying to work, and I'm trying to go to school.
I believe that.
I am.
I believe that like I have hair.
I understand, sir. I understand. Understand.
What do you do with yourself? Are you homeless?
Yes, sir.
No. We're releasing him back on the street
If we
to do no good.
No,
services?
I'm not. No, sir. I'm not homeless, but I don't have my own house. No, but I am staying with somebody, and my uncle, he stays in 5203 Caldera Court.
I don't know, Mr. Devereaux. All I know is that you keep picking cases up. You have a theft from a person not 2 months ago. Now we're pleading you to get you out.
Can we at least contact the uncle to
Please,
see if it is a viable place where he could stay, as far as he does have a place to go?
Down with that. I'm not releasing you to the street where you're going to be up to no good doing nothing, and then you're going to end up, either robbing someone else or end up with a 25-year sentence, Mr. Devereaux. It's setting you up to fail.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm not doing it.
Yes, I do. Sir, I
I
promise.
want you to understand.
I understand, sir.
I want what's best for you.
I understand,
And what
sir.
you've been doing the last 5 months is nothing but shooting yourself in the foot. And if we let you out on the street, same thing's going to happen again.
No, it's
And
not,
I'm
sir.
not done with that.
It's not, sir. No, it's not. I promise.
Good. I believe you.
Promise.
So see if you can find that we have a place for him to go to that's going to actually take him in,
I do.
show him some.
I do, sir. I
I'm
do.
going to find out. Okay, Alan, we can do this a little bit later, but I'm not just releasing him to the street. Hey. Mr. Devereaux. Do you have anyone else that we can call to talk to see where you can go? I'm not letting you out on the street. I'm going to tell you that now. So unless you got someone, I'm not, because,
Friend, that's all. My close friend.
okay,
And he will let me stay at his place.
number,
Yes, sir.
but you weren't able to get a hold of this person.
I did speak with him. He was willing to let me stay at his place. He individual basically, he picks up bread for a living, delivers bread for a living, and he sounded like an upstanding guy. So far, as far as the numbers he gave his mom's number rang one time, and that was that.
What happened? Go to voicemail or what?
Pretty much, yes. It goes straight to voicemail, and sometimes it says the voicemail is not set up.
Mr. Devereaux, how old are you, sir?
24, sir.
Okay. Who do you have in your life? Where's mom?
My mom, she stays in another town, sir. She take care of my 2 little sisters.
Where?
East Texas, sir.
Where's dad?
I don't know, Dad.
Why'd you stray from mom?
Trying to grow up. That's all I'm
Really?
doing.
You're grown up. You're grown up sideways, man.
Understand. Yes, sir. I do understand that. I'm just trying to,
What you're trying to do, you're trying to end up in prison really quick, Mr. Devereaux. Either that or you're gonna end up shot dead because these cases now, you're taking from honest, hardworking people. In Texas here, people like their cars and they like their guns. And when you muck with the wrong person, they're going to shoot your ass dead. It's only a matter of time. We see it all the time. I can't tell you how many people we've had come in here with gunshot wounds because they try to BMV, burglarize a motor vehicle, and then they get with a shotgun. Over and over. And you're now on two. I don't want to let you out on the street. What I would like to do is call your mom and figure out whether she'll take you in, take you back. Will she take you back?
I can go to my close friends and
And then what?
I start working with him with his bread company.
I think we're better served with putting Mr. Ever on probation so we can monitor him, so we can find out he's not mucking up. So you don't start using any kind of dope, so we can get you an honest working job so you can become a productive member of society and not with a permanent number on your back. Troy, what's up, man?
He hasn't interacted nice before then. Yeah, he's paying. You're gracious to say, oh, everything is. I'm trying to, in my mind, figure out how that works.
So he's still got, what he got in Fort Bend, he's gonna have to deal with that. I'm gonna put my stuff on it so I know that he's not consuming at all.
So if you waive the fees on the ankle monitors,
Monday. I got
allow him to have the inner lock, toxel lock that he has that he's paying for, then it stays in his car, he doesn't drive. Versus how it is now, he has to have a different kind of interlock device, which may not have to get that device removed. And then someone would be paying for this other device, as opposed to he has one now through.
What do you want?
Intoxilock. I'm just saying, can he leave the Intoxilock on and just waive the fees on the ankle monitors?
So I can ask if he's able to be Intoxilock under agency. And if he is, then he can use the device that he has. So he pays for the device for the year and waive the device here. So if he has a device that we don't cover that for the.
I can't do anything with the Fort Bend stuff, right?
I'm just saying,
So you
he
want
has
to
the device on. I don't want to be.
pay for the device in year's time so that he can get a device in here. But if you pay for it, then.
But I want him to have the scram though,
Yes.
right?
He's gonna have the scram. And then, so does he have to have the interlock through you since you have
No.
no driving? Okay, then that's fine. He has the interlock through them and.
Let him know he signed an affidavit. If I catch him driving, holy moly, I'm gonna light his ass up. Let him know.
You want to remove the interlock.
I want the scram in lieu of the interlock. So I know he's not drinking at all. Because with the interlock, we only know if you try to get in a car, that's the only time you're gonna blow with. Here, I know 24 hours a day whether you're drinking.
That's all the issue.
That's what I want, to make sure that he's not consuming at all. And that he's not on the road driving.
I can remove the interlock off his order and he'll just have the interlock.
Okay, but understand that we're still gonna file an interlock order with DPS, so DPS knows that if he's caught in a car, they'll arrest him.
Yeah.
Okay. You need to get back to mom, Mr. Devereaux. What you're doing here, living with your friend, that's not gonna last forever. Your mother is something that'll last forever. She'll hopefully take you in, unless you're just a really bad person. But
no,
the
sir.
thing is that you continue to rack up criminal cases and you're going to mess with the wrong person, or you're gonna end up in there with a 25-year sentence. I'm trying to prevent that from happening. If I just let you out on your own, within 5 months, we're gonna see you back. You wanna make a bet? Really? I'll do this. And I'm gonna tell you now, if I see you back, holy moly, I'm going to light you up. I will notate every single thing that we're doing here now, Mr. Devereaux. I want you to understand, you come back here with a new case because I have jurisdiction over you for the next 5 years. If I see you back here
Yes, sir.
because you try to thieve from someone else,
Yes, sir.
if you want money, go do it the right way. Get a damn job.
Yes, sir.
Did you even graduate from high school? I'm not taking this. I want him on probation.
Oh, no, sir.
No, I'm not taking this.
Okay, sir.
No,
I got my GED.
no.
I got my GED, but no, I did not graduate. I got my GED.
When did you get your GED?
I got my GED not too long after I graduated, not too long after I didn't graduate, just a year after. I got my GED. I got my GED. I don't know.
I have a sticky note with your name on it that I'm gonna put here on my computer that I will leave up here for the next 3 years. You come back. Get ready, Mr. Devereaux.
Sir,
You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine the accusers, the right to be arraigned, charged, read in court. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. This charge will go on your record. You are now facing a minimum of 90 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up.
sir,
Do you understand?
sir,
How do you plead to the offense of failure to identify oneself to a peace officer while being a fugitive from justice? I will find you guilty, sentence you to 3 days in jail, credit for 4. As part of the plea bargain agreement, the burglary of a motor vehicle will be dismissed. Good luck to you, Mr. Devereaux.
Thank you,
Don't
sir.
come back.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
You won't regret it.
we'll see.
Promise you won't.
5 years.
Yes, sir.
You want to step